This video will show the installation of a DoorWorks track-style enclosure for the new 2024 EZGO RXV 2-passenger. Your kit will contain 2 side awning tracks, 1 rear awning track, 2 side panels, 1 back panel, 2 roof support wraps, 2 side valances, and 1 rear valance, as well as the hardware needed to attach it. Step 1. Attach side awning tracks. Position the side awning track with the pre-drilled holes in the roof. The first hole is the one right before the roof slants down. The C-channel of the track will be facing down and towards the outside of the cart. Using the 3 pre-drilled holes, secure the track to the roof with the provided screws. Step 2. Attach rear awning track. Attach the screws through the rear awning track's 3 pre-drilled holes and into the roof. The C-track should be facing toward the rear of the cart. Step 3. Slide on side panels and back panel. Note, we recommend loosening one of the side screws on the rear track to slide the back panel on. Step 4. Attach front roof support wraps. Remove windshield and mirrors. Wrap the zippered sleeve around the support and seal Velcro. Mark where to punch holes for mirror and windshield bolts. We recommend using a soldering iron to make the holes in the sleeve, which makes a clean hole and seals the fabric to keep it from fraying. Reattach windshield and mirrors. Step 5. Attach valances and zip sides to wraps. Attach valance to both sides and back panels. Zip the side panel to the front roof support wrap and snap the valance to the top of the front roof support wrap. Step 6. Attach snap studs. Gently pull panels down tight to mark and align where to drill holes for the snap studs to be screwed into the fenders. Snap the cover to the snap studs to secure the cover. Now you're ready to enjoy your new DoorWorks track-style enclosure.